friends, and you know how to plants make food? You came to the right place. So, plants make food by the process called photosynthesis. So, plants need 4 elements to make their food. Number 1, sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and chlorophyll. So friends, do you know what is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is a green pigment that is found in the leaves of the plants. Because of chlorophyll, the plant leaves are green. When you pour in water in your plant's mud, the root pulls the water up. And this is how they get water, friends. Plants, they take the carbon dioxide and the sunlight from the air and make their food. During this process, plants give us the most important thing: oxygen. So friends, see, the nature cycle is so beautiful. We humans breathe out carbon dioxide and plants give us oxygen. It's so beautiful, the nature cycle. I hope you learned something new. Wait. So friends, how do big trees get water? Tell me in the comments below.